Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are new, please subscribe. That's the only way that you are going to get notified when we post new content. If you're already a subscriber, welcome back. Please like this video. You do not lose anything, but you help to keep me motivated to make more videos, share more content, all for free. By the way, if you're looking to download forex systems, forex robots, forex strategies, indicators, books and stuff like that, all for free, there are links in the description box below. Visit those blogs and see if you cannot find what you are looking for. Sometimes people come and request things that are already on the blogs. Don't be that person. Go through the blogs and see if you cannot find what you're looking for. Then if you still cannot find what you're looking for, you can always come back and leave a request in the comment section below, and I promise to certainly make an effort to find the thing for you. After downloading the forex systems, robots, indicators, certainly you want to test them in real market conditions before giving them all your hard-earned cash. The links are in the description box below. For the broker that I use, you can actually deposit $5, $10 into your account just to test the robot, just to test the indicator or the system to see if it makes money before you actually go all in. So visit the broker that I use and open an account. You don't lose anything. It's just a $5 account, a $10 account. If you are struggling with anything concerning your forex trading, if you have questions, if you have challenges, if you have topics that you want me to make videos on, leave them in the comment section below and I'll certainly make a video on your question. I've been there, and I wish when I started I would have come across a channel like this where they were just sharing information for free. So go ahead and like this video, subscribe if you are not yet subscribed, share the video with your friends. Let's get into today's topic.
As you can see, we just deposited funds. The previous NFP was terrible, but manje we are killing it.
Yep.
Yeah. Open pair of USD JPY. Yeah. Open pair of USD JPY. When I enter, you enter. When I enter, you enter. 3 minutes left. Trader in USD JPY.
3 minutes.
3 minutes left. We are not playing with the market. It's in record. You can talk recorder now. Oh. Ko yini gama layo? Yini lento recorder? Shit. Yeah, ngizoyisave by the ngifuna babonisa. This is massive. This is massive, guys. We are killing NFP. We are killing NFP. We are killing NFP live with you guys. Sele ngaki minutes. Okay, a group in ama signal ngwashirile. 2 minutes left. 2 minutes left. Are you ready, boys? Are you ready, girls? We are going deep with 20 lot size. Mara. Menga into pull back in zosheng blow. Okay. we are going with 15 lot size. 15. As you can see, $2,000. As you can see, $2,000. 2,000. Okay. In 1 minute we enter. Ever thought? Tanga angibambeleka. Ikuphi into